How to change username on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change username on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now choose your username at top of the screen underneath menu. Now simply you have to choose three dots and select edit, and once it's loaded you need to search for the change username option. If you don't find this way, simply get back to your menu section of Facebook, scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy and choose settings option. Now choose see more in account center and select your profile. Now tap your Facebook account and choose username. Now you can tap on it and easily edit your username. Enter it and then tap the done button. Once done, you will successfully change username on Facebook. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.